Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing sports and taking it to a whole new level. Although statistics and quantitative analysis have played an important role in sports for a long time, artificial intelligence is significantly impacting all aspects of sports. From football, baseball, basketball, and auto racing, almost all the major sports leagues are incorporating artificial intelligence to expand their businesses. There are many different areas in the sports industry where artificial intelligence plays an important role. For example, the technology of uniforms, marketing, automated journalism, and the incorporation of computer vision. Even artificial intelligence can calculate various parameters that affect an athlete's performance and provide recommendations to prevent injury or fatigue. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is transforming sports analytics and taking it to a whole new level. But first, what's the primary objective of AI in sports? The primary objective of AI in sports is to improve performance, both for individual athletes and for teams as a whole. Some of the areas in AI and machine learning that have left a solid footprint in the world of sports include AI training. Thanks to AI systems, various aspects of the game can be controlled in training sessions. For example, in tennis, through a combination of cameras and sensors, speed, spin, and serve placement can be measured. This has a direct impact on the strategic decisions that coaches and the coaching staff may make. Analysis and selection of players. Perhaps this is one of the great applications of AI today. In sports like soccer, where there are many players and a lot of money is invested, AI can help select the best talents in a much more objective way based on data and predictions of the potential. Fan and business management. AI is also being used to improve fan and business management in the sports industry. This includes everything from ticketing and merchandising to marketing and advertising. Current applications of artificial intelligence in sport. Now that you know the primary objective of AI in sports, let's take a closer look at some of the current applications of artificial intelligence in the industry. Player performance. First, we have player performance. Have you ever wondered how athletes manage to push their limits? Well, the answer lies in AI. With the help of wearable technology and sensors, coaches and trainers can track the performance of athletes in real time. Wearable technology such as smartwatches and fitness trackers can collect data on an athlete's physical performance, including factors like heart rate, speed, and distance covered. This data can then be analyzed by AI algorithms to identify patterns and trends in the athlete's performance and provide insights into areas for improvement. In addition to physical performance, AI can also be used to monitor an athlete's mental performance. For example, AI algorithms can analyze video footage of an athlete's body language and facial expressions to detect signs of stress, fatigue, or injury. AI can also be used to help coaches and trainers develop more effective training programs. By analyzing data on an athlete's performance and training history, AI algorithms can identify areas of weakness and create personalized training plans to help improve performance. Personalized training and diet plans. Another way AI is transforming sports is through personalized training and diet plans. Besides boosting performance and improving game strategies, AI is also used to provide athletes with personalized training and diet plans. With the help of sensors and AI-based fitness apps, AI algorithms can monitor and analyze an athlete's performance in real time. This data is used to identify an athlete's strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement, and create personalized training programs tailored to their specific needs. In addition, AI can also analyze an athlete's nutrition intake and provide personalized diet plans. And by analyzing an athlete's body composition, metabolic rate, and nutrient requirements, AI algorithms can create optimized diet plans to support their training goals. The benefits of personalized training and diet plans are numerous. Athletes can train more effectively, minimize the risk of injury, and improve their overall performance. Additionally, personalized diet plans can improve an athlete's energy levels, cognitive function, and recovery time. Scouting and recruitment. Moving on to scouting and recruitment, AI is being used to help teams identify potential new talent. Traditionally, coaches and scouts would have to rely on their intuition and experience to identify talented players. However, machine learning algorithms are now being used to analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential prospects. They can analyze player statistics, game footage, and other data to identify players with the skills and traits that team seeks. This data can be used to create player profiles that highlight strengths and weaknesses, as well as to compare and contrast different players. One of the key benefits of using AI in scouting and recruitment is that it can help identify players who may have been overlooked by traditional scouting methods. For example, AI algorithms can identify players who have the potential to improve their game over time, even if they may not have had the best statistics or performances at the moment. By analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying players who may have been overlooked by traditional scouting methods, we all agree that AI can help teams build stronger and more competitive rosters. Ticketing. Now let's talk about ticketing. AI in sports is not just limited to performance and recruitment. It's also being used in the business side of sports, specifically in ticketing. One exciting example of this is the Columbus Crew soccer team, who recently implemented an AI-based face recognition technology to streamline the stadium entry process. Traditionally, fans would have to show their tickets and go through a security check before entering the stadium. This could lead to long lines, especially during high-traffic events. But with the new face recognition technology, fans can simply walk up to a camera, have their face scanned, and enter the stadium without having to present a physical ticket. Another area where AI is being used in ticketing is fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze data on ticket purchases and other sources to detect fraudulent activity and prevent ticket fraud. This not only helps teams and venues protect their revenue, but also helps fans avoid scams and enjoy safe and secure ticket purchases. Sport prediction. Next, we have sports prediction. Do you ever find yourself making bets on your favorite teams only to be disappointed when they lose? Well, AI is here to help. AI algorithms can analyze data on player performance, team statistics, team formation, and other factors to make predictions about the likely winner of a game or match. This can be particularly useful for sports betting and fantasy sports, as AI predictions can help fans make informed decisions about which teams or players to bet on or pick for their fantasy teams. However, it's important to note that AI predictions are not always perfect, and there's still a human element to sports that cannot be fully captured by data. Nevertheless, the use of AI in sports prediction is an exciting development that has the potential to transform the way fans engage with sports. Advertising. Finally, we have advertising. AI is being used to create targeted ads for fans. By analyzing data on fan demographics, interests, and behaviors, AI can help sports organizations tailor their advertising messages to specific audiences, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. This means that fans can get personalized ads for products and services that they're more likely to be interested in. In addition to improving the targeting and effectiveness of advertising, AI is also being used to create more engaging and immersive advertising experiences. By leveraging AI technologies such as virtual and augmented reality, sports organizations can create more interactive and personalized advertising experiences that resonate with fans. The future of AI in the sports industry. What to expect. Artificial intelligence has already made a significant impact on the sports industry, but the future looks even more promising. With advancements in technology, there are endless possibilities for how AI can enhance the way we approach sports. For now, AI has all in hand for sports companies, game strategists, advertising, franchise owners, and much more. With such a broad scope of implementations, it's likely that AI will become more deeply integrated into all aspects of the sports industry. For example, in-game decision-making may become almost entirely automated, with coaches and players relying on AI recommendations for strategy and play execution. We can also expect to see more sophisticated player tracking and analysis tools, allowing for even more personalized training and injury prevention plans. As technology continues to evolve, we may even see the development of entirely new sports that are designed with AI in mind. Virtual and augmented reality technologies may also play a larger role in the sports industry, allowing fans to experience games in entirely new ways. One thing is certain, AI will continue transforming the sports industry in exciting and unpredictable ways. As more and more sports organizations embrace these technologies, we can expect to see a more data-driven, dynamic, and exciting sports landscape. Overall, the future of AI in the sports industry is bright, and we can expect to see continued advancements and new applications in the coming years. From improving player performance to enhancing the fan experience, AI is set to revolutionize the way we approach sports at every level. In summary, the use of artificial intelligence in the sports industry is expanding at an unprecedented rate, Today, many clubs and sports organizations have realized the potential of AI and are actively incorporating it into their operations. However, despite the many benefits of AI, it's important to recognize that it cannot fully replace the human element of sports. Ultimately, the goal should be to use AI as a tool to enhance the sports industry while preserving the integrity and spirit of the game. So, with all these advancements, do you think the incorporation of artificial intelligence and machine learning in sports is worth it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.